If you have frequent heartburn and indigestion and want a quick fix, ginger powder is the best thing I can recommend. In some cases, combining it with cinnamon provides more relief. Put a half teaspoon of ginger in your mouth or a teaspoon, and then drink some water to jog it down. The combination of ginger and cinnamon can also help with bloating. If you have a sensitive digestive system, consuming oil or junk food may cause stomach discomfort. The main reason you're experiencing heartburn is that your stomach and digestive system can't handle an excessive amount of certain fats, spices, proteins, and additives. So it is kind of a warning to be cautious the next time because certain foods are difficult for your body to digest. This is why it is critical to listen to and understand your body, including paying close attention to what you eat and what symptoms you're experiencing. Keeping fresh whole ginger or ginger powder on hand in the kitchen or while traveling is a wise choice for stopping and preventing all unwanted discomfort. And it can usually make you feel better right away. If you don't have ginger or cinnamon, you can always try cucumber or celery, which some people find helpful in reducing bloating or heartburn. Let me know in the comments below how often you use ginger and does it help with your heartburn. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.